Hello everyone. So if you're trying to run any application on your computer and you keep getting this error, the program can't start because MSVCR100.dll is missing from your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for C++ 2010. You're going to go on to this link from Microsoft.com and just click download on here. And here you need to select both 86 and 64. Click download then, and then just download both of these files. And once you're done downloading both of them, you're going to go ahead and install both of these. And after you're done with installing both of these Visual C++ softwares, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to launch any application, you'll see that you will not get that missing file error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.